Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Stock Market India Reporter. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. आज के वीडियो में बात करेंगे कुछ पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक के बारे में. कमिंस इंडिया डाउन था 8%. व्हाट इज द रीजन? Q1 का रिजल्ट निकला, टाइटन ब्रिटानिया और कुछ कंपनी का देखेंगे रिजल्ट. मार्केट आज लगभग डाउन था 8 दिन के बाद. उसका पीछे का एक मेन रीजन है ऑटो सेक्टर, जो सेल का रिजल्ट निकला. आइचर मोटर भी डाउन था, देखेंगे कैसा परफॉर्म किया. शक्ति पंप को एक बड़ा ऑर्डर मिला, 5% अपर सर्किट लगा स्टॉक पे. व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर? विल सी दैट. अदानी विल्मर का एक अच्छा न्यूज़ आया है डिमर्ज का, उसके लिए स्टॉक अच्छा परफॉर्म किया, देखेंगे उसके बारे में. और ओला आईपीओ आज सब्सक्रिप्शन शुरू हुआ, कैसा परफॉर्म कर रहा है मार्केट में. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. मार्केट एंड्स 8 वीक ऑफ विनिंग स्ट्रिक, फॉल ओवर 1% टुडे. ऑटो स्टॉक्स वर द टॉप लूजर्स. सो देखेंगे ऑटो स्टॉक का इंडेक्स और कौन सा स्टॉक कैसे परफॉर्म किया. सो बेसिकली जो ऑटो का सेक्टर का फॉल हुआ 2%, उसका पीछे का कारण बताया जा रहा है कि जुलाई का ऑटो सेल्स. सो आइचर मोटर का देखेंगे. मारुति सुजुकी आफ्टर ए ग्रेट रिजल्ट, वो भी आज 4% डाउन था. दिस इज द समरी ऑफ सेल रिजल्ट. 11% फॉल ऑन मिनी प्लस कॉम्पैक्ट सब सेगमेंट मारुति सुजुकी ने रिपोर्ट किया. पैसेंजर कार सेल भी डिक्लाइन हुआ 11% टू 69,245 यूनिट ड्यूरिंग द मंथ. टाटा मोटर saw a domestic commercial vehicle sale fall 19% YOY, and total commercial vehicle sale also declined by 18%. So both domestic commercial as well as total commercial दोनों में decline देखने को मिल रहा है from the major passenger vehicle maker Maruti Suzuki and Tata. Eicher Motor का बात करें तो कंपनी stated that it witnessed 12% year-on-year decline in the motorcycle models with engine capacity up to 350 cc. So उसके चलते आज Eicher Motor 5% almost down था. So this is in details Eicher Motor data for you. Motorcycle sales data, units sold. So model with engine capacity up to 350 cc, July 23, that is last year, was 64,000. This year is 56, 12% decline. Model with exceeding 350, the July 23 was 8,000. It is increased till 10,000. However, the total number, if you see, there is a decline of 8%. So that is the reason behind Eicher Motor fall today in the stock market. These are the major indices where the fall has took a big impact. Nifty Realty almost 3.53% down. Nifty Auto 2.92, as well as metal, IT, commodities and MNC. So we'll see the auto sector first, that is having a huge impact today. So as you see, there is no gainer listed today into the auto stocks, only losers. So if we go into the loser section, Eicher Motor 4.87% down, Maruti 4.74, Tata Motor DVR 4.65, Tata Motor itself 4.17, Bharat Forge 3.62, Mahindra yesterday also it fell down, so today also 2.78, Apollo Tyre 2.71. So across the sector, everyone is laggard today, which dragged down Nifty today also. Now let's talk about Cummins India, which fell 8% today. So this is the 5-minute chart for you. You can see कि आज मार्केट शुरू होते ही इसको डाउनफॉल मिला और ये जो सपोर्ट मिला उसको पहले ही 3489, बट थ्रू आउट द डे दैट सपोर्ट हैव नॉट ब्रोकन. दैट्स ए गुड न्यूज़. ग्रेजुअली एक बाइंग आया यहाँ पे तुरंत 930 को, बट इट डिड नॉट सस्टेन. सो दिस इज द सपोर्ट लेवल एज पर माय एनालिसिस 3489, राइट. सो इफ दैट सस्टेन देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी इट मे स्टार्ट गोइंग अप. बट पहले समझते हैं कि आज कमिंस इंडिया क्यों गिरा. सो न्यूज़ ये आया कि ग्लोबल पेरेंट जो कंपनी कमिंस है, they declare that Q2 revenue in India, including the joint venture, is 10% year-on-year down, right? So that's the first news came because Cummins India is one of the joint venture under Cummins. Parallelly, the news came out that the power generation revenue in India also fell down 17% year-on-year. So that's another hit for the stock to fall. But interestingly, the Cummins is having 7 entities in India, including the 3 joint venture, out of which only Cummins India is listed company. So overall जो बताया गया है तो downfall 10%, that may or may not only applicable for Cummins India, it is all together. So आज का जो shock wave आया Cummins India का, probably that may not sustain. So if you are already holding it, please you can have your analysis and add some more position. For new buyers, you can wait for some time to settle down the price. So if I show you the daily chart for Cummins, you can see this channel is getting formed as lower high attitude, and there is a resistance also. So if it fail below this, maybe there is an opportunity to buy it at much lower price, maybe around 3,200 or so, or maybe 3,350. But if it sustain and go back, there is a chance it may test the previous high, recent high 3,900 or even more, that is 4,100. So these are the target and support price for Cummins India. So there are 2 order related news came in BSE website. One is Shakti Pump. Shakti Pump already have received multiple orders. One of the video I have discussed. I will paste that link on top, the recent order But today on 2nd of August, another order news came in BSE website. Let's see what is this all about. So the order detail says the name of the entity awarding the order is Department of Agriculture, Uttar Pradesh, and the order is about supply, installation and commissioning of solar water pumping system, which is Shakti Pump is leader of, within 120 days of the letter proceed. So that's the timeline, 120 days. So the amount of this order is 558 crore inclusive of GST. So that's the amount of order Shakti Pump received. Let's see what chart suggests. So today Shakti Pump hit the upper circuit 5% and now currently trading in the lifetime high of 4686. That's the level. So in near future, if it breaks and move forward, the next level should watch for 5000, that round number. And if we see how much return it made in this year itself, even from the May, it around 127% return already made for the stock. So very good investment opportunity. There are orders are keep coming, तो orders और भी आते रहेगा, और अगर profitability सही रहे तो Shakti Pump is a good candidate for long term holding. दूसरा order है आज Power Mech के लिए, so that is around 142.50 crore of order. We'll see what's this order all about. So this order came from Meenakshi Energy Limited, and the order details is revival of phase 2 of Meenakshi Energy located in Nellore district, Andhra Pradesh. And what this order meant for: erection, testing and commissioning of a power plant. 8 months of the valuation, and value of the order is 142.50 crore. So that's the Power Mech order for you. So HL, BAML ये सारे स्टॉक ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुका हूँ पिछले वीडियो में. It's keep falling. So what is actually happening? Is the market getting a reality check now? So HL का न्यूज़ हमने पिछले वीडियो में डिस्कस किया कि instead of anticipated 16 engines, GE is set to deliver only 2 of those, right? This represents a shortfall of nearly 14 engines for the year. और उसके लिए जो तेजस फाइटर का प्रोडक्शन टाइमलाइन है. सो प्रॉब्लम यही है, ये सारे स्टॉक का ऑर्डर काफ़ी लंबा चौड़ा है, लेकिन एग्जीक्यूशन में थोड़ा तकलीफ हो रहा है. सेम एप्लीकेबल फॉर द अदर स्टॉक्स एज वेल, लाइक BEML एंड BEL एटसेट्रा. अदानी विल्मर का शेयर आज 6% से ऊपर जंप हुआ बिकॉज अदानी एंटरप्राइज टू डिमर्ज द फूड FMCG बिजनेस, इसका अनाउंसमेंट आया. So the details suggest the share of FMCG Adani Wilmar jumped 6.4 intraday after the billionaire Gautam Adani's flagship entity Adani Enterprise on Thursday approved the demerger of the company's food FMCG business to Adani Wilmar. So that's the reason behind Adani Wilmar stock jump today. Britannia Industries का रिजल्ट निकला. नेट प्रॉफिट rises 14.5% to 524 crore and the revenue came at 4130 crore. So that is also 4% increase from the year basis. दिस इज ब्रिटानिया डे चार्ट फॉर यू. एज यू सी, एक बहुत अच्छा हायर हाई और हायर लो फॉर्मेशन करके जा रहा है ऊपर की तरफ. तो प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि एक सपोर्ट जोन पे अभी फिलहाल है. दैट इज 5648 एंड इमीडिएट टारगेट आफ्टर दिस गुड रिजल्ट शुड बी द recent resistance, that is around 5891, and if it breaks then it can go up further, but this is currently in a very good support zone. As you see, the particular zone here where it was previously a resistance, now that become a support. So currently Britannia is in a very good support zone. This is the daily chart for you. Titan का रिजल्ट निकला आज. स्टैंडअलोन प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्स marginally fall हुआ to 770 crore. Revenue from operation rose 10%, by the way, to 11,105 crore, right, which was 10,103. But PAT में थोड़ा घाटा देखने को मिला टाइटन में. टाइटन शेयर फिलहाल एक ट्रायंगल फॉर्मेशन में जा रहा है और देखा जाए तो फिलहाल डाउनफॉल के साइड में है. इट में टेक ए सपोर्ट अराउंड 3379, or else if it breaks up then the next target will be 3517. Currently it's trading in 3462. So these are the two level to watch for. On downside 3379 and upside it is 3517. Ola Electric IPO day 1. This particular electric vehicle maker subscribe almost 35% on day 1, and that is the new news for Ola IPO. ओवरऑल मार्केट का बात करें, निफ्टी बंद हुआ आज 293 डाउनफॉल में. 8 दिन का विनिंग स्ट्रीक आज क्लोज हुआ और सारे इंडेक्स लगभग रेड में क्लोज हुआ. उसके चलते मेजर टॉप गेनर लूजर पे जोमेटो लिमिटेड 12.7% अप टुडे आफ्टर अ वेरी गुड रिजल्ट. अदानी विल्मर वी डिस्कस्ड अपर सर्किट. PCBL 8.66 and JNK Bank 6.8. Whereas on the loser side, we have Cummins India, that is 3.97% down. Escort, due to the sale result, 5.90. Birlasoft, again declined 5.86. And Imami, 5.44. So these are the losers and toppers for the day. So I'll publish the next video on a small cap pharma stock which actually made a return of 2,166% to the investor. We'll see what is the stock all about. Is it worth to invest? And we'll do the fundamental and technical check. So please stay tuned for that video. Thank you. That's all for today's market update. Remember to stay informed and make well-researched decision on your investment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in next video.